It's a first for Nebraska. Bellevue police are rolling out their all-electric patrol car. 3 News Now photojournalist Kevin Rempe spoke with police about why they made the decision to go.
And it is my pleasure to introduce to you guys the newest vehicle in the Bellevue Police Department's fleet, the all-electric 2022 Ford Mustang Mach E. The primary purpose of this vehicle for the Bellevue Police Department is for testing. We do not plan on replacing our fleet with all-electric vehicles at this time. This is a new concept. Bellevue Police Department purchased this vehicle as a part of an insurance claim. Earlier this year, one of our Ford Explorer police interceptors was totaled in a crash. The insurance money we received from that had to be spent this year or else it would expire. And due to the chronic vehicle shortage that we're experiencing right now, buying a replacement Ford Explorer police interceptor was not realistic. On the audio, we're about 5 or 6 cars below what we want, and the example given is cars we ordered in October of last year. We just picked up this week, so it's been a lengthy delay getting those cruisers, which was part of the attraction of getting this within 3 months, is we do have another cruiser on the street that is usable while exploring an all-electric vehicle. That's a huge part of testing, because this is something, again, we talk about Michigan State Police testing for its maneuverability and its response and all that, which is really good information to know. But yeah, with our particular equipment, you know, we obviously have a tablet in there, the printer, the radio, the cruiser camera, a scanner, like all this different stuff, the lights, everything will take a toll. So there's a lot of unknowns with electric vehicles, and instead of being behind the curve and waiting for this to come upon us, we wanted to step out and do some exploring and figure out what works and what doesn't, and be part of that conversation for the future.
Snow Music Studio.